In many of our previous episodes, we have covered many large homes, apartments, and even terrace houses of various sizes. Today's episode on Design Seed, we will be sharing a 2-story designer courtyard villas that are nestled within the suburbs of Kota Kemuning. This vibrant township named 25/7 by Gamuda Land is tucked away approximately 20 minutes away from the Subang and Sunway area and is inspired by quayside living surrounded by lush and mature landscape. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Today's episode of Design Seed, we will be sharing with you the design of this 32/75 2-story designer courtyard villa that houses a young family of 6. The architecture is designed to achieve an asymmetrical approach, with different shapes and forms highlighted as an architecture feature to the villa's identity. It is quite rare to have a 2-story house that could spaciously fit 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms within a build-up of 2,960 square feet. A major plus point to the property is that it can fit 3 parallel car parks, and with back-to-back parking, you could easily fit 6 cars per unit. As you enter the property, you are immediately greeted by this luxuriously designed living area. The living area opens up to a private pocket garden that gives the living hall a larger impression of spatial quality and is a plus point for those who enjoys having natural ventilation while watching the TV. My favorite feature to the luxurious courtyard villas is this extended dining area that is surrounded by lush landscape. This unique floor plan makes the dining area protrude out from the building and feel as though it is part of the surrounding landscape. This allows the owner to enjoy a full view of the garden and enjoy the benefit of cross-ventilation. In some of our previous episodes, we have shared tips and knowledge about home orientations and how to best benefit for better natural cross-ventilations. To summarize in a nutshell, to improve cross-ventilation, both ends needs to have openings. If an opening is only at one side of the room, the input of air would go against the output, and that would limit the amount of natural air ventilation. Hence, the clever design of this layout with landscape design and large window openings on all 3 sides not only improves natural cross-ventilation, it allows the home to benefit from maximum natural lighting and turns the dining area like an impression of dining among the greeneries under an indoor gazebo. Speaking of natural lighting, the luxurious courtyard villas also comes with a skylight that sits right above the stairwell, making the center part of the home beaming throughout the day. Due to the dining area that is designed to protrude out at the side of the home, this allows for more space in the central hall, allowing for a tastefully designed dry kitchen space. Equipped with storage cabinets, a wash basin, and a large breakfast counter, this kitchen design is the perfect spot for quick breakfast or even cooking preparations while watching the TV or looking after the kids. It doesn't end where the dry kitchen sits yet. right at the rear of the property, a guest bedroom adjacent to a bathroom that allows for wheelchair-friendly access is also taken into consideration by the developer. The laundry and wet kitchen tucked privately at the rear would normally end up being a dead corner with unsightly view of the back lane of most properties. However, these newly developed courtyard villas are designed with emphasis of landscape surrounding the property, so even the rear of the property opens up to a spacious back lane garden, making the owner's cooking or laundry experience feels a lot more lively and zestful. Stepping onto the first floor, the high ceiling volume of the master and junior suite gives the impression that the rooms are larger than it actually is. There are a total of 4 bedrooms on the first floor. The master, being the largest bedroom, enjoys a large floor-to-ceiling window opening coupled with a distinctive fluted panel headboard, giving the spacious bedroom an opulent approach. The master enjoys a long stretch of closet capacity and a walk-in wardrobe space right beside the master bedroom. I personally would choose the junior suite over the master bedroom due to the protruding layout feature. The junior suite enjoys a L-shaped corner floor-to-ceiling window opening that was designed to be the perfect spot for a study table. Having clear visibility to the lush landscape that surrounds the property, this bedroom also gets a glimpse of the modern architecture side facade, which is highlighted with its signature red brick feature wall. This study corner sets you in the right mood to work or read all day, comparatively to having a study table facing a blank wall. If you're looking for a gated garden community and already gotten used to living in Subang Jaya, Puchong or Bukit Jalil area, this could be the location for you. Nestled within the suburbs of Kota Kemuning, 25/7 is an integrated township development that caters to those driven to have a balanced and refreshing lifestyle. The township is inspired by quayside living, surrounded by a vibrant community. Residents enjoy a wide range of F&B outlets, retail shops, and entertainment, with Quayside Mall located less than 5 minutes of walking distance. And for those who enjoy being connected to nature, could also enjoy the luxurious Central Park, which has its own canal park right outside this unit. Some would prefer to purchase older properties closer to the mature neighborhoods around the CBD and transform them into a new home. And some would rather live in newly developed suburbs that are surrounded by spacious roads, lush landscape, properly curated facilities and amenities. Let us know which is your preference in the comment column below. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. We hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please click on that subscribe button and slam on that notification bell to stay in the loop of more of our upcoming design episodes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon.